The kids are playing a game in there. Get it, Charlie. Yeah.
Really likes that one.
That one's supposed to go home with her.
That one?
Wasn't that the one, the duck one? So they said she liked. You can have it. Probably just
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Get it, Charlie.
It reminds me of
Should I give them
What?
a treat?
Duck Hunter. You know that game?
Yeah. The old
Yeah, the old Mario one. Or
Yeah.
Good girl, Puddy.
Nintendo,
Good
like the
girl.
first
Yeah,
Nintendo.
yeah.
Oh,
I like
you
the toy that
cuties.
goes, it's the
The
shark or the dolphin. Deep, 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 whatever it is.
Oh, the deedly dee one?
Yeah.
I hate it.
I love it.
Come on. When you hear it, it doesn't make you laugh?
No.
Really?
Have you ever heard it like 5 in the morning? Or
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It doesn't make you laugh.
Charlie's so much fun.
There was a dog the other day that was on waiting over here. They were talking. Puddy wanted to see that dog so bad. Hey, that's a moving object. What is that? Get it, Charlie. What is it? And then when they finally was leaving, that dog totally didn't want anything to do with Puddy. It was weird. It was like, nope. And she was so excited. Like she waited out here. She watched the whole time. And then when it finally got her opportunity,
She just stuck her whole face in there.
I just saw that. Oh, she has grabbed stuff from the bottom, like balls and stuff.
Yeah.